How to change the Outlook email password. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can change the Outlook email password, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to change the Outlook email password, just go to outlook.live.com/mail and then you will see this type of interface here. Once you log into your Outlook account, I'll make sure to drop a direct link below. If you want to change your password, your Outlook account is your Microsoft account, right? So you talking about changing your Outlook password means changing the password of your Microsoft account. And to do this, click the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Then go to My Microsoft Account option. Once you go to My Microsoft Account option, just scroll down to this page where you'll find this option called Security, and then make sure to click on it. And then here you can see this option called Change Password. Make sure to click on it again. Once you click on the Change Password button, verify your current password and re-log in first of all. After you do this, it will take you to the new page where you can simply enter your current password first of all. Once you enter your current password, enter the new password that you would like to change to. Click on the Save button and your Outlook password will be successfully changed. This way you can change your password on Outlook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.